Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Do you like ironing your clothes? I don't, but I love using this portable steamer. Let me show you why. I'm loving this portable steamer. First of all, it's super cute, it's fancy, and it's small, perfect for traveling. I also like this green unique color. Something that I so appreciate is that they made it very easy and friendly to use. You just take off the lid where the water tank is, you add the water once you're gonna steam, and you're gonna see how this little thing, it's so small but powerful. I'm loving how it leaves my items. It makes it so much easier. Again, I don't like ironing, but steaming with this portable steamer makes everything so much easier. I tried different fabrics to see how well it would work, and it did not disappoint me. This is a perfect gift for anybody. I really love it, and you're gonna see it comes with a little bracket. You can put that bracket on the wall wherever you want to hang it, or you can decide not to have it in the bracket and put it in the very cute velvet bag to travel. I want you to see how nicely it fits the velvet bag and how easy it's for you to carry anywhere you go. It can either be traveling, to work, to the gym. You can just throw it in your bag and it's so convenient. Having nice wrinkle-free clothes has never been easier, but now that I have this portable steamer, everything's so much simpler. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.